Introducing DIY Tax, a simple tax solution to help landlords comply with making tax digital. In this video, we will explore how DIY Tax helps you, as a landlord, to manage your tax submissions. DIY Tax is designed for landlords. It works for both UK property owners and for owners of foreign property, and is designed to support you whether you have just one or multiple rental properties. Using the Setup Wizard, you select which type of property you have, either UK or foreign or both. Next, we'll help you to select which method you would prefer to use to maintain your digital records. It depends how complex your property portfolio is. And, if you want, you can connect DIY Tax to your bank account and create digital records based on the content of the bank account. As a landlord, you'll be able to access DIY Tax from your computer, tablet, or phone. It is important to emphasize, for security reasons, we do not store customer information on your devices. This means that your information is always safe, even if you lose your computer or phone. Here are some top tips for using DIY Tax for landlords. First, if your property portfolio isn't complex, say 5 or less properties, we recommend that you key in data direct to the app as transactions happen. It will keep a full digital record and saves you keeping a separate spreadsheet or connecting to your bank account. Second, you can select regular payments. Let's say you are receiving £1,000 per month rent for a property. Then you can load it once, click regular payment, and that's it. The monthly amount will automatically be loaded each month until you decide to change it. Or, if you have a monthly expense, such as property insurance costs, then the monthly amount just needs to be loaded once, and it will be duplicated in future months. The third tip is that you can use the Take a Photo service to store a copy of invoices for all property expenses. You can also use it to keep a copy of your tenancy agreement for each property to show the income. It means you have a full digital record, which you can access at any time. Finally, the property feature lets you store notes, reminders, and documents against a property and add follow-up actions. It's like having your own personal assistant. Each quarter, the DIY Tax app will automatically summarize property income and expense records for your quarterly submissions. You don't submit all individual transactions to HMRC, just a high-level summary. Even if you have multiple UK rental properties, all that HMRC will receive is the total income and expense information. However, HMRC expect the software you use to maintain individual property and transaction data in case they need to check anything in the future. In the app, you will get support for questions you may have. That includes questions on making tax digital, on how to use the DIY Tax app, and on property tax allowances and reliefs. For example, you can claim costs incurred for running your rental business, such as letting agent fees, property insurance, advertising costs, maintenance and repairs and legal fees. And accounting costs, of course. We hope you found this helpful. We try to keep the videos short and informative. Our objective is to provide our customers with good technology, good advice, and good support. Thank you for watching.